on the country roads. This is my dims, and that's my brights. And I'm excited to see what tomorrow after the lighting install will look like. Hi everyone, welcome to Travel Around Suzy. I am all over the place today. I got another product to review, and I'm really excited about this one because this one could benefit a lot of people. You're not mechanically inclined. You don't want to, your headlights, they get foggy over time. The lenses get that yellowish. This may be a solution without replacing the whole headlight assembly. Even if you go to a place and you get them sanded down or buffed and headlight restored, they only last for a couple years, and then you're back to the same issue. This product, I'm hoping, will be a long-term result or solution. So this company reached out to me, and I was like, perfect. They're LED lights that are made to fit my old van. My van is an 04. So I said, yes, I definitely would like that because I do travel a lot at night, and I have thought about going and buying new headlight lenses, which is a whole headlight assembly, but they're like $60 for each side, and 10 years down the road, there's gonna be another situation. Let's get into this. All right. So I've got low beams and high beams. Some people will have just a high beam and a low beam and one bulb. So this is an affiliate that I am working with, but if I don't like them, I'll be the one to tell you. Oh, right there. See that? It's 9006. So, and again, 9005. Now with halogen light bulbs, you are not supposed to touch the bulb. And I don't know, I would assume LED is different because they don't get hot like halogens. Let's just use this. So what do we got? And I'm going to install these and I will show you. Ooh, fancy. Now, see the positioning of these? Wow. So there's that. And then little O-rings. Awesome, awesome. Little manual.
Alright guys, It's actually hit 40 some degrees out. So check out these headlight lenses. Well, let me flip the camera around. So see, you can tell how they're scratched up. These are pretty normal headlights, both sides. So I got a dim and a bright. We're gonna replace that with LED lights. Now, let's see. There's one there, and then there's one there. So, and I'm gonna try to show you the best I can. It's a very tight area, but what I'm trying to show you is, see how that's straight up and down? Now if you turn it a little bit, there's little markings, and that will pull little teeth, and that will pull out. So reach in here, and we're just gonna give this a little bit of a twist, and it pulls out. Now these are halogens, so you do not want to touch that glass. So then you're gonna come back here, and you're gonna move these clips, pull these out. And you could use a small little screwdriver or your finger. I may have to go get a little screwdriver. Now you'll want to be careful because you don't want to break these clips. There we go. Now you can see right here it says 9005. So we are going to replace 9005. So there's my old one. I'm just going to put it back in there, and I'm going to put the new one in here. This wire again. And then we're going to put that in like that. Snapped her in. And then we're going to feed her through here. Put her in this hole. And then turn. She's secure. We're going to come over and do the other side. Now this is a little bit tighter because I've got the battery. Turn. I can't reach very well. We got her out. Now we have to do that again. Remember, we don't want to touch a halogen light bulb. There's that. And then we're going to take this. We're going to take this one out. That's one blessing about these LEDs, is you don't have to worry about touching that, because the thing is, these burn so hot that if you touch your hands, which have oils, I mean, all of our bodies naturally have oils in them, and if you touch that and you get that on there, and then it burns extremely hot, it will explode. the light bulb will actually explode. So now we're putting it in through here, maneuver, and then twist. It's easier if I wasn't holding the camera. I don't think I have it in right. Okay, let's try to reline this up. There we go. She's in. He, she, whatever. Now we're gonna put these. Uh-oh. They do give you extra O-rings, so that's nice. Okay, there's.
If you are interested in getting a set of these Auxito 2 set of headlights, I do have a discount code for you and an affiliate link down in the description. These are my dims, which I feel are a massive improvement. And then the next shot I will show you will be my brights, which I feel are extremely bright. I think with my dims will be fine. I will never have to flick them onto brights. Thank you for watching. Safe travels.